Fuck it, let's go on a solo hiking trip just because there's nothing better else for me to do today. We obviously gotta get ready though, cause we ain't going looking like this. I look like shit. Alright, cue the non-copyright music. Alright, we just got ready, but we need to switch into something more drippy, you know? Alright, look. Ooh, who is this? Had to get some water, cause you know we gonna be thirsty on that high. You know.
And when we're making love,
and now we is on the way.
far and wide, it's only the two.
Had to make a quick little pit stop. Had to pump some gas real quick.
Everything I need.
And we back on the way. After 1 hour and 40 minutes, we made it. This is a trail that my brother recommended to me. I low-key got lost on the way because you low-key have to park on the side of the road and walk to the trail. But, you know, it's a learning experience.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
So many trees, bro. That's crazy.
I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody stir you up.
My legs hurt a little bit. Ooh. I feel like I'm walking through the jungle of like Thailand right now, bro. This is what my grandma had to go through just to get to school and fight off a tiger. I really wish I came on a better day. It's looking really foggy out here. I can't really see nothing. I mean, but it does look pretty though. I mean, from what I can see at least. Yeah, I should have wore like a hoodie or something. It's like, I'm like kind of high up in the mountains. It's kind of like drizzling on me. Pause. Whew. When am I gonna get this hike over with, yo? If human civilization never existed, this is probably what the world would look like. Nothing but land. Land, rocks, trees. Let me just side bow. I should have brought my AirPods. It's too quiet up here. I'm getting kind of scared. Oh shit! Ooh. Oh fuck. Almost ate shit. So much mud. You see what shoes I'm wearing? Oh my, they're like dirty. I think I needed this. It's very peaceful. I needed something calm like this. It's been a minute since I went on a hike. But this is my first time hiking by myself though. I think I made it to the top. I lied, I don't know. I don't know where the hell I'm at. This grass looks so fuzzy though. I like it. Dang, this is so calm out here though. This is so peaceful though. Dang. Let me just take all this in. Here, y'all take this in too. Ooh-wee. starting to get gassed. I don't think I made it to the top, but I think I was very, very close though. I think it's time to head back down. It's getting a little scary up here, I ain't gonna lie. By myself too. And it's fucking freezing up here. God. I chose the wrong day to wear shorts and a t-shirt. Yo. Do I look chopped? Shit, I don't give a fuck. Anyways. Bruh. Why did the weather want to start kind of clearing up when I started walking down the trail? I mean, at least you can see a little bit of something now. Whoa, just a little bit, but damn. You know what? I will revisit this trail again on a better day with better weather. Because today, not it. But shout out to my little bro for giving me this little trail. Ooh, that's really fucking pretty. Look at the mist. Yo. That's low-key really cool. Oh shit. Oh. Fucking bee. Fuck ass bee trying to scare me and shit. Damn. Fucking beautiful, man. Damn. God is so beautiful. God, you are so good. When you see civilization, that's how you know you're almost to the car. I see cars down there. Yes. I'm walking back to my car. Oh, damn. Time to go home and cook me something to eat, bro. Overall, it was a pretty good hike, you know. Shout out to my little brother again for giving me that spot. Now it's time to get home. Update. I made it home. I ain't gonna lie, I just got home and I knocked out on my couch, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.